Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a recreation of my Pinterest board. So I'll be putting a photo right here for you guys and I'll be recreating that outfit. So I'll be putting together an outfit, making it look cute, and I will also be rating the outfit as well, and you guys can tell me in the comments below how you rate the outfits and what you think of the outfits that I put together. So I'll be recreating my Pinterest board but like modest style, as I have been doing quite recently a lot. So I'll be recreating my Pinterest board but with a twist. It is a modest style version. So as you guys know the gist, if you've watched my previous videos, I literally changed the outfit that's probably not so halal into a more halal outfit, if you get what I mean. So I will show you guys how I will put some outfits together and make them modest. So let's get started. So in the image she has on a blue top. So her top is a double zip blue jacket, and then she also has like the asymmetrical jeans. I'm not sure what they're called, but they're like the jeans with the hem a bit crooked or whatever. That's the new style. And then she also has the Obsidian Air Jordan 1s on. So this is going to be my recreation of the outfit. So I have a top really similar to that, and I got that from my Glassons haul, and I'll show you that in a sec. So I have this blue jacket from my Glassons haul. So it also has the collar like the one that she has on. However, her one is the double zip. Mine just has one zip on it. So I'm gonna wear this jacket and I'll just pop on like a white body top underneath that. And then I also have the jeans that she has on, and this is what I was talking about, this like weird style of the hem of the jeans. So I have that, and this is from my SHEIN haul, which is yet to come. I'm gonna record that and post that hopefully next week for you guys. So these are the jeans that I'll be wearing for the outfit. Now for her shoes, she has on the Obsidian Air Jordan 1s. I don't own those shoes yet. I will hopefully soon. But I have the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe, and I haven't worn these shoes yet. So I'm gonna pop these babies on with the outfit and hopefully it'll look cute. And for accessories, she wears this bag that's kind of similar. It looks a bit crazy right now, which is also from my new SHEIN haul. So that's the first outfit, and I'll show you guys how that looks. So this is the first outfit. So for this outfit, I think I would rate it like around, okay, look, in real life, and once I get these pants altered because they're way too big, I would rate it like 7, 8 out of 10. But on the camera, honey, this looks not cute. So I would rate it like a 6 out of 10. So we will move on to the next outfit. So for the second outfit, we have this one. So she is wearing a scarf top, some straight leg jeans, and then the new Nike sneakers. But we're gonna recreate this look. So I'm gonna use this scarf because she's also wearing a black scarf top. So I'm gonna wrap this around like that. So I'm gonna use this black scarf as the top. Then for the jeans, I will put on these straight leg jeans that I got from my SHEIN haul. And if you haven't seen it, check it out. These are the jeans that I like altered by myself with a string. So hopefully I'll make a new video on how I altered my jeans. But I'll be putting on these jeans for the outfit. And then for the shoes, I'll be putting on my Air Force 1s, and these are my new babies. I got these in a really small size, and they're so white. Like, they're so white that you can't even see it in the camera. It's just like blinding. How beautiful are these right now? I do not want to dirty these. The other Air Forces that I have are like so worn out that the sole is yellow. It's nasty. But let's chuck this outfit on and I'll show you how it looks. So this is the next outfit, and it's kind of similar to the one that she has on. So I'll show you guys how it looks. So I would rate this one like 9 out of 10 because basically everything's kind of the same. The pants, the top. I changed the shoes because I don't have those shoes. However, I do think these shoes look really cute with it. And then I just put the white body top underneath. So let's move on to the next outfit. So for the third outfit, I'll be recreating this one. So this one is really simple, really cute. So she has on like a nude jumper, straight leg jeans as well. this whole thing is like straight leg jeans, to be honest. And then she also has on some Air Force One. So this outfit is kind of similar to the last outfit that we just did. So I'll show you the items I will be recreating the look with. So I will also be putting on the straight leg jeans from the previous outfit. Then I have this cute jumper, and this one was from Pretty Little Thing. So I'm going to be putting on this jumper with the outfit, and it's like really similar to the color that she has on, I'm pretty sure. And then for accessories, we're going to be putting on this cute little white bag that was from my SHEIN haul, and her bag is like, I'm pretty sure, the same as the jumper. However, I don't have a bag that color, so I'll just be recreating the look with this little cute white shoulder bag. So I'll show you guys how that one looks all together. So this is the next outfit, and let me tell you guys, I love this jumper. This jumper is like so pretty. I love the color, the fit, everything. So this is the fit. So I think I would honestly rate this like an 8 out of 10, a 9 out of 10. I really love the fit. I think it's so cute, and just like the whole thing just suits, and the outfit is like basically the same. The only difference is actually the bag, because her bag is the same color as her jumper. But I actually like the white because it breaks down the jumper and it matches the white turtleneck that I have underneath. So let's go to the next outfit. So for the fourth outfit, it is literally a blue set. So she's got on a blue singlet, blue joggers, and then some Air Force Ones. So I'll be showing you the clothing items that I'll be putting on to recreate this look. So it is literally a set from SHEIN, which I have not tried on yet, so we will see how they look together. So the way I'm going to recreate this outfit, I will be using the set that I got from SHEIN. So it is literally a blue jumper, so it's like a baby blue jumper. Perfect color for this because it's probably exactly the same as the one that she's wearing in photo. And then for the pants, it is literally the exact same colored joggers. And then for the sneakers, I will also be wearing my Air Force Ones. They seem pretty popular in this video, so I'll show you guys how this outfit looks all together. So this is the blue fit. I think I would honestly rate this like a 7 out of 10 for looks, and then a 9 out of 10 for like the actual items, because I basically did what she did, but I chucked on a jumper instead. This is the outfit. So for the fifth outfit, we have this one by Stephanie. So she has on a black jumper, and then it's like joggers, but it's like that loud material. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's those kind of joggers with a zip down the ankle. And then she also has on some Air Jordan 1 UNC to Chicago's. So I will show you guys my recreation of the look. So I would have used my Pretty Little Thing jumper, but it is currently in the wash, and I forgot about making this video, so I just chucked it in the wash. So instead, I'm going to use this completely washed out black jumper. So it's just a plain hoodie jumper since I don't have a crew neck type of jumper. So we're going to wear a hood for this little outfit. So we got this. It's probably stained, isn't it? Well, that's alright. So we're going to wear this jumper that's probably dirty, and then I'm going to chuck on some black joggers from SHEIN, and then these beautiful babies that I also haven't tried on yet. So these are my UNC to Chicago Air Jordan 1s. I haven't worn them yet in an outfit, so we're going to see if these look cute or not. So we're going to see it together, and I'll show you guys how the outfit looks as well. So this is the outfit. It's really basic, to be honest. Like, it's all black and then these beautiful babies on, and I honestly love the shoes so much with it. But this is the outfit. So I'd rate this outfit like a 6 out of 10. Let's just say, because first, I don't really like how it looks on me. Compared to her, she looks stunning at me. Not a big fan of how it looks on me. The only thing I give myself points for is probably the shoes and the fact that it's all black, but that's how much I would rate myself on this outfit. So let's move on to the next one. So for the sixth, how do you even say that? Sixth? Anyway, so for this outfit, she has on a black bandeau, and then an oversized blazer, and then the jeans that I got from SHEIN, and they called it asymmetrical jeans, which I just found out. So we're just gonna call them asymmetrical jeans in this video. Then she wears some cute dad shoes, but I'm gonna swap that out. So let me show you guys what I'll be putting in for my recreation. So I'll be putting on a black body top underneath instead of a bandeau top, just like the one I have on now. And then I'll also be putting on this beautiful blazer that I got from my Glassons haul, and I'll open that one up for you so you can see. This is the blazer. It's super cute, very nice and oversized. However, when I tried it on, it was a bit tight on the sleeve, so I'm hoping that it's not too tight with like something under, so we will see together. And then I'll be putting on the asymmetrical jeans as you guys saw before, and then I will also be putting on some Air Forces for the shoes instead, because I just think that these are way cuter than the dad shoes. I'll show you guys how that all comes together. Now, I never really dressed like this, but I think this outfit is really cute. These jeans are pretty big, but I think this is a pretty cute outfit. Let me just do a little bit of posing for y'all. So if I was to rate this outfit, honestly, I think I got it pretty down to the T for me, honestly. I would rate this like a 9 out of 10. Only reason would be, no, you know what? I would rate this a 10 out of 10. Like, look, the blazer's there, the jeans are there. I chucked on these Air Forces, like the fit, it's perfect. I love it, and I never really dressed like this, and I just like the style. It's like really loose, it's baggy, it's like kind of formal, kind of not, like, I love it. I really like this outfit. So let's move on to the next one. So then for the second last outfit, this beautiful lady has on a printed tee, some straight leg jeans, as you know, and then her royal toe Air Jordans. So for me, I'll be recreating the look with these items. So the only printed tee that I have with a little bit of blue in it is this Rolling Stones one. It's just got some blue there. That's literally all I have. I'm going to be checking on this top with a black body top under. So then for the jeans, I'm going to pop on these jeans that I got from Pretty Little Thing. Now they actually have the split at the end, but I pinned it down so then it's not too long on me. So I'm going to chuck on these jeans for the outfit, and then of course I'm going to be putting on my royal toe Air Jordans, and I'll show you guys how that outfit looks. So this is the outfit tried on. So to be honest, I'm not a big fan of it. Only the thing is that the top is a bit tight, which I don't like that. I would have liked to be a more loose fit, and the pants are fine. The sneakers are fine as well. I love them, but I'm not a big fan of the top. I think I would change the printed tee into another one that's a bit looser, but this is the fit. Time to rate this outfit. Now, I'm not really feeling it. I would rate this probably like a 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10. What do you guys think? Let me know. But let's move on to the next outfit. So then for the last outfit, I'll be recreating this. So she has on a black puffer jacket, a black top, some straight leg jeans, and then some Doc Martens. So I'll be recreating this look with the following items. So I'll be using a black body top for the base, and then I'll be using this little shiny puffer jacket from my Pretty Little Thing haul, and it's actually like my favorite. I love it. The thing is that it has some like shoulder pads, or it's a bit like pointy on the shoulders, which is not my favorite, but it will still do. And we will also be using the split leg jeans, and then I'll be putting on these platform boots for the outfit, and I'll show you guys how it all comes together. So this is the recreated outfit. So to rate this outfit, I think I would rate it like the top half 7, 8 out of 10. Not bad. I got it pretty close to how she had her outfit on. Just the bottom half is like, the elements are fine, but the way it looks on is not so cute. So I think I would rate that like 6.5 to 7. So that's just how it looks on. Like, you guys can't even see. It's like too tight on the ankle. In total, I think I would do 7.5. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification button so then you get a notification every single time I upload a new video. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.